Hey guys, it's your girl Christine, and I'm here to show you how I pack for Spirit Airlines. I'm going to be taking a personal item, and this one measures under the specifications given. It's 16 by 13.5 by 8. And I really like this bag because there are 2 side pockets, 2 front ones, and an interior too as well. And it's very spacious, and I somehow managed to fit 8 days worth of clothes. So let's get started. I'll be starting with my favorite eggy top. If you didn't know, eggy means baby in Korean, and that's my favorite pun. I'll be using the KonMari method of folding in thirds. It's a space-effective and efficient way to pack, and I'll be rolling these later. I'm also packing my favorite denim top, my favorite white linen shirt, a striped top, a olive off-the-shoulder one, a sweater for San Francisco when it gets cold, and a bodysuit which is extremely versatile, as well as a lightweight dress. I'm also packing 3 pairs of jeans, black, white, and my favorite denim from Calvin Klein. I'm going to show you 3 ways to fold: the KonMari method, folding in halves, as well as rolling, which is the method I used in this case. You can use whichever one you like, however. I'm also packing some swimwear in case I want to go swimming, and I'm folding these in the KonMari method as well and stuffing them in places where there's extra space. I'm also packing my undergarments as well as these petals, which are super convenient and reusable. I'm also packing some nightwear, and shout out to the Lantern Fest because these shirts are super comfy. I'm packing some belts and some shoes, and that's about it for clothes. Normally I would wear loungewear, but since I'm doing things straight away, I'll be wearing this white off-the-shoulder top and these distressed black denim, as well as a belt and some boots, which are my bulkiest piece. I'll be wearing 2 jackets to the airport and a blanket scarf because it's actually -4 here, and I wish I was kidding, but I'm not. For skincare, I managed to fit everything in these 2 pouches. I couldn't fit everything in the black one that you saw in this TSA video. If you're interested, make sure to click above, however, to see how I managed to fit everything in a 1-quart baggie. And I'm also bringing a passport, some deodorant, a razor, and a face cleanser. For technology, I'll be bringing my camera tripod, extra spare batteries, the charger ports for them, and a bag that I usually bring when I'm vlogging, as well as my laptop case, all the additional wires, and my wallet. Now for the moment we've been waiting for, how I actually pack everything. I'll be rolling everything up and putting them on one side of my suitcase and basically play Tetris, trying to arrange it all. As I begin to move to the center, I'll be putting my bulkier items on the left, such as my sweater and my sneakers. In the extra spaces around them, I'll be able to put my bathing suit and my PJs and other miscellaneous items. I'm also going to be rolling up my jeans and placing them on that side, as well as putting my travel toiletries and my makeup in the front for easy access. I also put my lens behind the bag, but I missed that clip somewhere, and I'm putting my undergarments and my laptop towards the top as well. And then that's pretty much it. I managed to fit everything in, and I'm pretty surprised. I'm just adding some extra passports and face masks to this top, as well as a comb and some razors to the side. And there you have it. That's how I ended up fitting 8 days of clothes in a carry-on item. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!